Hello children, welcome back to our EVS class, and our today's topic is river animals and sea animals. So let us know about them one by one. River animals. River animals are animals that live in rivers. They depend on river water for food, shelter, and their daily life. Some of the examples are frog, frog, frog. Next, river snake, river, snake, snake, river snake. Fish, fish, fish. Crab, crab, crab. Freshwater turtle, fresh, fresh, water, water, freshwater turtle, turtle. Turtle. Catfish, cat, fish, fish, catfish. Eel, eel. Now next know about sea animals. Sea animals are animals that live in seas and oceans. They depend on seawater for food, shelter, and their daily life. Here some examples are shark, shark. Shark is found in seas. Isn't it, children? Now next, octopus, octopus, octopus. Next, jellyfish, jelly, fish, fish. Starfish, fish, fish, starfish. Seahorse, horse, seahorse. Lobster, lobster, lobster. Next, sea lion, lion, sea lion. Whale, whale fish. So children, if you like, share and subscribe.